Hey everyone, just another quick video. A lot of people have been telling me that their data has not been exporting correctly, and so sorry about that. I seen the issue and I'm addressing it here. Um, so this is me exporting the PENZD file from the MLID Flow app after I've completed my survey, but you can see that we have the P, the E, the N, the Z, and there's no description, which is a problem. So the easiest way and the quickest way to fix this is you should have also exported your full data. So in that same CSV export, this is the all columns file. Here, the description is there. So if you go to your description and you take the cells and you just copy all of them. So you copy all of them, make sure not to include the very top cell, the description, because we don't want the headers in our data. So copy all of your data, come over back to your PENZD file and paste it all. Then you can see all of the points have the descriptions, they perfectly match up. Then make sure you save this file and make sure it saves as a CSV file and not an Excel file. And now your data is good to go. You have your full PENZD. Then you can import it into Civil 3D as shown in the next video, and you'll be good to go.